I wanted to talk to you about a particular problem that you might find with your kneaded or gummy eraser. And that is if you're trying to erase with it without kneading it. So let's take a look down at the page and I'll show you some different examples. So what I commonly see with my students is that they tuck their gummy eraser into their toolkit, their pencil case for the week, and when it comes back, it looks like it's been rolling around in pencil shavings and dog hair and whatever, and it's got a bunch of schmutz on the outside. I don't know what to say. Dirt. It's got dirt on the outside, or graphite, like they stick it in with their pencil case and it comes out all graphite-y. And then they'll pull that out and they'll have all the stuff on the outside and they'll start trying to use it like a gummy eraser. Now, you're gonna find that it will work, but it's not nearly going to work as well as one that you've kneaded up. And so it doesn't matter what brand you have. This one is the Faber-Castell, it's a little bit softer. This one is the Lyra, it's a little bit harder, but this one in particular is a little bit softer and gummier than some of the other Lyras that I've had before. So what you wanna do is you always wanna knead it. You wanna pull it between your two hands and then fold it. And different gummies will have different texture. Like this one gets that kind of like foamy, I don't know, powdery, like almost like crumbly texture. And so different ones will have different consistencies. This one doesn't do that nearly as much, or maybe it's just because it's a little bit newer. You can see this one is darker. It's collected more graphite. But what you want to do is you want to pull it, fold it, pull it, fold it, and use that sort of fluffy, aerated area to grab the graphite off of your page. And then you want to knead that back up again, because if you start to use it in other places, you can see that it's going to transfer all of that graphite onto a fresh page. So you always want to knead it, and know that when it's compressed, if you're just mixing it like this, say you take a stamp, pull some off, and then all you're doing is pressing it, compressing it, that's not going to work in the same way or as well as if you've fluffed it up and put air in it. So there's something about the compressing of it when you fluff it up and you put some air in it, and then when you press, you're actually compressing it, that takes more value off and more graphite off and works it more successfully than when you've just crunched it, pressed it together, and then you try to take something off. It works, but it's not going to work in the same way. So you always want to have that fluffy, soft, stretched out, kneaded part in order to use your gummy eraser. So I hope that tip helps you guys out. Let me know if you have any questions below.